Good morning.
Oh, what's up?
We have decided we're going to do something spontaneous and... What?
Nothing.
We're going to use a dart and a map, and we're going to go wherever it tells us to go. Not within 2 hours of our house. We're not going to go farther than that. I didn't print the map farther than that, but we're going to have an adventure today. So, come along with us. So Jake's going to throw the dart. I think you're a little far away from it.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep. Alright. Not gonna move.
If it gets like anywhere real close to us,
no.
if it gets anywhere real close to us, we're going to throw it again. Oh, there we go. What does it say?
Cynthiana.
Huh. Okay. Well, let's take the map in and see what is right outside of Cynthiana.
No, we just go drive. Let's go.
No, we got to see where we're going.
No, we don't know. That's the thing.
Okay, we are in the Jeep.
New SMS from David, but
I just got a
press
text
Uconnect phone button and say text message to read it.
in a minute. Anyway, we landed on Cynthiana, and it's not really going to be a Chautauqua for us, or because we've been to Cynthiana quite a bit. And we love Cynthiana, but as you can see, it's a nasty day, and it is raining outside. And Cynthiana has some really cool things, so we're going to take you there and show you that anyway.
Yeah.
So we can have an early day before it starts raining real hard on us. So we're going to Cynthiana.
We're in Cynthiana. Yay. We got Speedway. There's also Pizza Hut.
There's a Walmart back there.
There's a Walmart up here.
The animal shelter's that way. Remember, we went to the animal shelter here once.
We went to the animal shelter that way. Oh, that's a community. I thought that's a community medical pizza. I was like, is that? Yes. This is my medicinal.
Plaza. That's an L there.
This is my medicinal pizza, pepperoni pizza. I get it for my health. But yeah, so they got a Rite Aid.
Yep, they got a Rite Aid. So we forgot to mention before that Cynthiana is the home of Robert Kirkman, who is the writer for The Walking Dead, and there are several things Walking Dead related here. So we're going to show you those. They had a Walking Dead day here once, right? You came with the Nippers. That was that fun?
That was awesome. They had the new comic, and the first 500 people to get in line got the new comic for free.
You didn't get in line though, did you? Because the line was long.
No, there was like a good 1,000 people in the line. We were like, yeah, no, it stretched for It stretched for about 2 miles.
We're gonna try to find the hospital, but I think I put in the address wrong because I didn't have an east or a west. So I think I put in the wrong. I think that it's this way, if I remember correctly, because Dad works there. Ooh, look at the river's high.
Yep.
Dad works at the hospital, and he's driven me by it several times.
Yeah, got some art.
Yeah. The mural, we'll have to find the mural too.
Oh, I know where I am. It's been like, 3 years, but I kind of remember this. Oh, yeah. Let me see, if you go, So that place right there is where you got the comic, and there was a, for the Walking Dead Day, and right at this intersection right here at the screen, there's a helicopter, a burning helicopter, not really burning, and military guards posted around it, telling us to back off. It's a contaminated area. That was actually pretty cool. We come closer, and
they had the street blocked off then, I guess?
They had street blocked off with the helicopter, a downed helicopter, and people dressed as military people telling us we can't go this way. That's a contaminated area, and we need to.
That's a beautiful church.
And we need to go the opposite direction. It was actually really fun. I was very big into role play.
Cool. Were people dressed as zombies?
No, yeah, there's people dressed as zombies, and all the characters. So it was pretty cool. It was pretty fun.
My favorite character is Daryl. I love Daryl.
Yeah.
And Carol. Carol's cool too.
Carol's fun, yes. I'm coming up onto the hospital.
Take the next right, then turn left.
Yeah.
Here's the memorial sign. Looks a little different in the comic. When we stop, I'll show you the page. We printed the page from the comic.
Get back focused.
Yeah, it's a little different than the comic.
Well, everything is.
I think they've added on to it as well.
Yes.
Watch what you're doing.
Cool.
You have arrived.
Yes, we have arrived at our destination. Yay. Harrison Memorial Hospital. One of the Walking Dead's main things.
Get a good video of that.
Alright, well, I guess this is what it is like in the comics. No, it's very different.
Very different.
Well, there's the road right there he's walking up on, and they have this little bush right here. But it's still very different.
I don't know if the artist, the person who drew it,
True.
if they based it.
Off the real thing.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's
Probably not.
Harrison Memorial Hospital.
We found the mural.
We found the mural. We got Daryl, Michonne, Coral, and yeah, it's got
Can you get a good view of it?
Yeah.
All of it?
yeah, it was
Rick.
pretty cool.
It is cool.
Very well painted.
It's holding up really well too. It's been there for a long time. 3 or 4 years.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe more than that. I think we came right after they painted it.
Yeah.
Okay. So now we gotta find Liano's.
Yeah, I found a pizza place now. Yay.
We're at Liano's Pizza. I'm not sure if that's how you say it, but Robert Kirkman actually worked here when he was in high school, and they have really good pizza. So we're gonna go in and have pizza. What?
It said mom and her vlogging, stopping me from eating so she can take pictures. Alright.
Look at that. Liano's breadsticks. Yum.
Yay. Split it down half.
Pizza.
Yay. I'm eating now.
Jacob got cheddar on his.
I did. I like cheddar. Cheddar's good.
I got ham and onions.
Alright.
We're at Ashford Acres Bed and Breakfast Inn. Ashford Acres Inn, I guess it's called. This inn is owned by Robert Kirkman and his wife.
Is that bed and breakfast? Don't buy them.
Cool, they got a cool barn. It says they do weddings here. It's a neat barn.
That's a pretty neat barn.
Oh.
What?
That was a cute little thing over there.
Yeah. We got a nice little pasture and another shed.
Ooh, look at that old truck down there in the... Can you see it? Can you zoom in on it? I think I probably went... Let me see if I can get down here.
Right there, but yeah, behind a tree.
It looks like it's got trees growing in it. Gosh. I'm gonna take a picture of that. So we're taking a little walk. There's a little museum here. We're gonna go see what that's about.
Hopefully it's the Walking Dead thing in the jig, because I think that's where it was held. I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't think it was, but sure.
I love all these little houses. All the ornate trim. Cynthiana Museum.
They're closed.
They're closed.
Yeah, I feel like
Bummer.
the open side.